Hey YouTubers, so it's supposed to be stopped raining at 4. It's 1 minute past 4 now and it's just spitting, so I think I'm okay now. But I'm waiting and waiting. I did a few bits of cleaning the spray gun out to get all full of gunk and then they won't spray, so hopefully now I'll get a little bit done this evening before it gets dark, so I'll put you down. I've set this up now, as you can see from the fast forwarded bits. I've checked the diagonal, I've got the thing in place all marked up. So this time, instead of speeding up the video like I normally do, I'm going to let it run in real time to show you the difference between, or hopefully the difference between the default original power saw that's run on a cable and that Chinese thing, and hopefully you should see a difference. With the Chinese thing, with this wet timber as it's been raining, I was taking well over an hour, sometimes an hour and a half, just to cut these out, with multiple battery changes and whatever. And the last one I did, it took me best part of the day just to get it done. I was changing the batteries, then one of them died, and that, yeah, you got it. So let's leave this in real time and see what happens. Those two cuts there alone, before were taking me, it could take me about 15 minutes to get through those two. Put that one back. Let's go for it. that's it, that's the cuts done. Quick as that. Not so long that was, but that went long. Actually, it's a much neater cut as well with that. Done. What more can you say? I'll take you a quick look, show you how much better that is. As you can see, a lot neater cuts on there, neater cuts there, much better cuts all the way across it. So there you go. If you can afford to get there's the proof in the pudding. If you can afford to get second hand but original tools, you're much better off doing that than buying new cheap Chinese ones. And even some of the new branded ones are not the quality of the old ones. This is 15 years old, made in I think this one was made in America. Absolute top quality. Thank you DeVault, though I'm not sponsored by anybody. Yeah, brilliant tool. Gonna get this sprayed now, get it nailed up and get it into position.